Welcome to Zero Day Swag. I'm your narrator and your plastic accountability buddy. Call me Toy Soldier Sarcastic Specialist. Around here, we break down every guard MOS like it's a tactical loadout, minus the sugar coating, no fluff, no recruiters in polos, just the truth. Let's see what this one's made of. 91 Sierra Stryker Systems Maintainer. These aren't your average trucks. As a 91 Sierra, you're the one making sure the Guard's most advanced armored vehicles, like the mobile gun system and the medevac variant, keep moving, fighting, and saving lives. You'll train for 17 weeks at Fort Gregg Adams. You'll master disassembly, battlefield recovery, electrical systems, and heavy-duty troubleshooting. It's not just fixing, it's knowing a Stryker well enough to bring it back from the dead under pressure. If you're the kind of person who wants to work on systems that roll into the fight and roll back out with everyone still breathing, this is your lane. You'll be in the motor pool one day and on recovery missions the next, crawling under armor plates, replacing busted components, and making sure that crew gets home safe. You're not just fixing a vehicle, you're protecting the team that rides in it. Every repair you make could be the reason someone survives contact. And on the civilian job side, think advanced diesel tech, defense contractors, and heavy systems diagnostics with experience most techs can't touch. 91 Sierra, keep the armor alive, keep the mission moving. Got questions? Ask your recruiter. Don't be weird about it, you're fine. That's one MOS explainer vid down. Many more to go. You're either in the squad or your background noise. Check the rest of the playlist. Pick your chaos. 0 Day Swag's got an MOS explainer for it. Oh yeah, like and hit subscribe. Or don't, I'm just a toy. If you're still here, enjoy. Yeah, this track slaps. You're welcome.